Hey Madness fam, in today's video I will be making a strawberry tres leche cake with my twist on box cake. So I will show you the step-by-steps on what I do for that. And if you're worried about what's on my forehead, it's my new pimple patch. They're the nude ones. They sent me espresso, but I think I'm more of a caramel on my face. So because it kind of like, but yeah, I will link down the where to get yours in the description down below if you want to grab one of your I think they're from Mayo. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. Don't bite my head off for it. But yeah, pick up your color. If I was to order one, I think I will order the caramel color. I think that'll be more my go-to speed. But yeah, I'm going to fix up my face real fast and then show you guys my take on a strawberry tres leche. I'm using super moist strawberry box cake. Remember to always get super moist. So I emptied out the mixture, and then like I said in my last video, don't put water, add whole milk. That's what I do. I do every other step exactly the same, but I add whole milk instead of water. It's not fucking clumpy. Fucking clumpy. I forgot to tell you to preheat your oven on 350 to butter your pan and to bake it for 28 minutes. While your cake is baking, remember to combine your 3 milks in a bowl and mix them all together. When I put my whole milk, I use this sweet condensed milk can and fill the whole milk in that, so that way you don't put too much of the whole milk. When your cake is done, remember to let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then start poking holes all on top of that cake. Everywhere, sides, middle, all over that cake, make holes. Now it's time to make the homemade whipped cream. So I use a heavy cream, 1 carton of that, a small. I use powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Vanilla extract, I use 1 tablespoon. If you don't like vanilla, you can use 1 teaspoon. His husband bothering me, as always. And then I blend it all with this big cool power blend thing that I got. I just don't remember what it's called. Sorry guys. Don't mind hubby's fingers on the top of the camera lens. He didn't know, and then he realized. Now you're going to add your whipped cream on top of your cake and then cover and store overnight. That's what I do to make the milk sit with the cake. And you can add whatever toppings you want. On my last tres leches I put cherries. I was going to add strawberries, but my daughters ate them all on me, but that's fine. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.